So, hello students, welcome to Jadasar Plus 2 Science Residential College. I am Dr. Arvind and present here to discuss on a very interesting topic on information technology, that is virus. And in this video lecture, we will be discussing what is virus and how the viruses are detected and what are the different types of viruses and what is the purpose of using antivirus. So, all these things we will be discussing in this lecture. So, first come to what is virus. So, actually a computer virus is a kind of malicious computer program. Malicious means what? Harmful. Okay, is a malicious computer program which when executed replicates itself and inserts its own code. Okay, and when the replication is done, this code infects the other files and a program present on your system. Okay, so virus is nothing but a harmful program jar intent hoji सब harm karibo, right, which will be executed and replicates itself. से तार replicates तैयारी करिवो एवं attack to other files. In this way the viruses will be what? Spread inside your system. Okay, and these computer viruses are present in various types and each of them can infect a device in a different manner. So, different viruses are there and different viruses are having different tasks. Okay, so we will discuss in details, right. So, before that, first come to the point how the viruses are detected. How can you know whether your computer is affected with virus or not, or your system is affected with virus or not? Virus गोटे अच्छी बोली तुम कंप्यूटर केमती जान, right. So, since the computer virus only hits the programming of the device, so it is not visible. Virus को तुम्हें केबे भी देखि परिबोनी, कहे कि सेटा गोटे होची सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, इज ए प्रोग्राम. सो प्रोग्राम को केबे भी तुम्हें व्हाट देखि परिबोनी तुम्हें, right. So, it is not visible, but there are certain indications which can help you to analyze that a device is virus hit. Okay, and come to some points. So, by detecting that or by studying that, you can judge whether is your computer is virus affected or not. Okay, so first symptoms, what are the different symptoms? Okay, you can detect. That is, first is it will affect the speed of the system. Speed of system. तो मार्क करथिबो प्राय टाइम रे तुम देखिबो तुम कंप्यूटर के लैपटॉप टिके स्लो चलथिबो, तो जानिबो जे तुम्हें जे लैपटॉप की कंप्यूटर ऑलरेडी वायरस अफेक्टेड हो गलानी. ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ ए वायरस इज कंप्लीटली एग्जीक्यूटेड इनटू योर डिवाइस, द टाइम टेकन टू ओपन एप्लीकेशंस मे बिकम लॉन्गर एंड एंटायर सिस्टम प्रोसेसिंग मे स्टार्ट वर्किंग स्लोली. गोटे फाइल को तुम ओपन करिवो देखिबो जो फाइलटा 1 सेकेंड रे खुली होउतला से फाइलटा खोलिया पे 5 मिनिट नउची. तामाने सेथुरु जाना पड़िबो जे तुम सिस्टम ऑलरेडी वायरस अफेक्टेड हो गलानी. सो ए सिम्पटम्स रु तुम जानिबो द स्पीड ऑफ द सिस्टम, राइट. स्पीड ऑफ द सिस्टम रु तुम जानिबो जे हाँ तुम सिस्टम वायरस अफेक्टेड अछि, राइट. नेक्स्ट सिम्पटम्स इज व्हाट? पॉप ऑफ विंडोज. पॉप ऑफ विंडोज. What is pop-up windows, right? So, one may start getting too many pop-up windows on their screen which may be virus affected and harm the device even more. देखिथिबो तुम जेतल गोटे किछि टास्क करथुबो इंटरनेट रे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली बॉटम साइड रु सब एडवर्टाइजमेंट विंडोज सब तुमर डिस्प्ले होतुबो, राइट. तो तुम वर्किंग को कोन करिवो माने स्लो कर देबो सेटा, राइट. तो सेही सब पॉपअप विंडो माने तुम यदि किछि साइट्स को हार्मफुल इंटरनेट साइट को तुम ब्राउज कर तो ऑटोमेटिकली से साइड रे देखियो पॉपअप होई कि तुमको डिस्प्ले होतु. ओके, सो दैट इज द तुम जानिबो जे हाँ मोर वायरस अफेक्टेड हो गलानी. ताले ता पई कोन तुमे नब स्टेप्स नब आमे परे आसीबा, राइट. देन अनदर सिम्पटम्स, फर्स्ट आमे देखिबा कोन कोन सिम्पटम्स आमे फेस करबा, राइट. देन अनदर सिम्पटम्स, सेल्फ एग्जीक्यूशन. सेल्फ एग्जीक्यूशन programs. So, what is self execution programs? So, files or applications may start opening in the background of the system by themselves and you may not even know about them. So automatically किछि program background program अछि तो automatically they will be executed, okay, independently. तो सेटा होछि सेल्फ एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोग्राम. तुम किछि फाइल खोलथबो देखियो तार ऑटोमेटिकली बैकअप फाइलटा स्टोर हो जिवो देखियो. तो जहाँ फल कौन हम से मेमोरी स्पेस को ऑक्युपाई कर जीव तो ऑटोमेटिकली तुम वर्चुअल मेमोरी लो देखो सेटा. तो सेटा होछि सेल्फ एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोग्राम्स. तम तुम जानबो जे हां मोर भाइरस अफेक्टेड हैला. ओके, गोटे फाइल खोलिबो तार रिप्लिकेट्स फाइल गुडा को ऑटोमेटिकली बाय डिफॉल्ट बैकग्राउंड रे रन होकी खोली जीव. सो दैट इज अनदर सिम्पटम्स ऑफ व्हाट हैविंग भाइरस इन योर systems. Then log out from accounts. Log out from accounts. So this is another symptoms. That is what, in case of a virus attack, the probability of accounts getting hacked increase and password protected sites may also get hacked and you might get logged out from all of them. Okay, so automatically तुमे अच्छा तुम अकाउंट्स रु लॉग आउट होगी आसीबो त माने तुम अकाउंट्स रा ऑलरेडी hacked हो गलानी. वायरस अटैक मीन्स the probability of accounts getting hacked increased, okay, and password protected site may also get hacked. Okay, so that is another symptoms. So you can judge whether the virus is affected or not, right? And another is, that is very important, that is crashing. You are crashing of the device, right? Crashing of the device. देखी तो ना शुणी थो जे मोर हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश हो गला ना विंडोज क्रैश हो माने कौन भाइरस अटैक है कि क्रैश हो. सो इन मोस्ट केसेस इफ द भाइरस स्प्रेड्स इन मैक्सिमम फाइल्स एंड प्रोग्राम्स सो देयर आर चांसेस दैट द एंटायर डिवाइस में क्रैश एंड स्टॉप वर्किंग. सो पूरा कंप्यूटर क्रैश हो ओपन ही टोटली हम तो जानबो जे मोर भाइरस अटैक है कंप्यूटर. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन जज whether your computer or system is affected with virus or not. So these are the different symptoms: speed of the system, then pop up windows, self execution programs, log out from accounts, crashing of device. Now let us discuss what are the different types of viruses with examples, right? So now come to the types of viruses. Okay, so on the nature and the what symptoms of virus, the virus can be classified into many categories. First is boot sector virus. Boot sector virus. So what is boot sector virus? So it is the type of virus that infects the boot sector of floppy disks or the master boot records or MBR of the hard disks. And the boot sector comprises all the files which are required to start the operating system of the computer. And the virus either overrides the existing program or copies itself to another part of the disk. Examples, yes, one is your Stone boot sector virus, Stone, and another example is what, Mischallenge you, okay, that is Mischallenge you. So these are the examples of boot sector virus, right? Then come to direct action virus. Direct action virus. So what is direct action virus? So when the virus attacks itself directly to a .exe file, देखो सब फाइल गोटे एक्सटेंशन नाम थाए .exe or any extension, suppose .com file also, .exe, .com files means the virus that can attack itself to a .exe or .com file and enters the device while its execution is called the direct action file. And if it gets installed in the memory chips, it keeps itself hidden and it is also known as what, non-residence virus. So example, so many examples are there, but main is what? Rugrat. Example is what? Rugrat. And in letters, it is named as Windows 64 Rugrat. Okay, in later Win64 Rugrat. Okay, so this virus is known as what? A direct action virus. Then come to resident virus. What is resident virus? So a virus which saves itself in memory of the computer and then infects other files and programs when its originating program is no longer working. Okay, say memory को infects करी जीव, and this virus can easily infect other files because it is hidden in the memory and is hard to remove from the system. से memory भितर resides से रही जीव, ताको recognize करवा कि antivirus रे scan करी debug करवा सो टिके difficult थाए. Example तुम्हारा आसीबो what? CMJ is another what? Or Rendex. Example under आसुची तुम्हारा Rendex, CMJ. So these are the different what? Namings of your residents virus. So now come to another next virus, that is multi-partiate virus. That is next virus is what? Multi-partiate virus. So what is multi-partiate virus? A virus which can attack both the boot sector and the executable files of an already infected computer is called the multi-partiate virus. And if the multi-partiate virus attacks your systems, you are at risk of cyber threats. Okay, and the most examples of in this category virus are Flip and Inverter. Okay, example of Flip and Inverter. These are the examples of multi-partiate virus. And multi-partiate virus कौन पे कहूँ multiple means boot sector as well as तुम्हारा executable files को से attack करियो. Okay, that type of virus are known as that multi-partiate virus. Then override virus. Override virus. So what is override virus? So one of the most harmful virus, that is the override virus, and can completely remove the existing program and replace it with a malicious code by overriding it. Okay, माने ये गोटे प्रोग्राम जो प्रोग्राम को अटैक करिवो से प्रोग्राम रो कोड को पूरा डिलीट करिकी से निजर कोड तैयारी करिवो सेतमे ताको कह जाय ओवरराइड वायरस ताको ओवरराइड कर दबो राइट एंड ग्रेजुअली इट कैन कंप्लीटली रिप्लेस द होस्ट प्रोग्रामिंग कोड विथ द हार्मफुल कोड टोटली रिप्लेस कर दबो ओरिजिनल प्रोग्रामिंग कोड रिप्लेस कर दबो तार निजर प्रोग्राम कोडटा एंटर कर दबो. So best example is what? Reboot virus. Reboot virus. Reboot virus is the examples of override virus. Okay. Next come to next virus, that is polymorphic virus. Polymorphic virus. So what is polymorphic virus? Right. So polymorphic virus spreads through spam and infected websites. The polymorphic virus are file infectors which are complex and are tough to direct. Okay, and they create a modified or morphed versions of the existing program and infect the system and return the original code. सेतमे तो कहूँ polymorphic virus. Multiple function तार अच्छी सेतमे तो कहूँ poly. Okay, poly means what? Multiple. Okay, means same virus name but multiple functions. Examples, so many viruses are there, but examples Bagel, okay, and Veerlock, Veerlock, Bagel, etc. So these are the virus belongs to in this category. Next come to file infector virus. Next category virus, that is what? File infector भाइरस सो नेमिंग्स रु जना पड़ुची ये कौन फाइल को इन्फेक्ट करे ओके एट द नेम सजेस्ट्स इट फर्स्ट इन्फेक्ट्स ए सिंगल फाइल एंड देन लेटर स्प्रेड्स इटसेल्फ टू अदर एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल्स एंड प्रोग्राम फास्ट गोटे फाइल को सी अफेक्ट करिवो तापर सी तार करेस्पोंडिंग जते फाइल्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स अच्छी से गोटे 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 अफेक्ट करी एंड द मेन सोर्स ऑफ द भाइरस इज गेम्स एंड वर्ड प्रोसेसर जनरली गेम्स और वर्ड प्रोसेसर फाइल जते वर्ड प्रोसेसर मीन्स व्हाट MS Excel Microsoft Office Microsoft PowerPoint so it affects all these word processor files and best example of under this category file is Cascade the virus name is what Cascade and other files are there to remember only one okay then next category is what space filler okay space filler virus so what is space filler virus so it is the rare type of virus which fills in the empty spaces of the file with viruses जो फाइल रो empty space अच्छी सही space को virus को से enter कर दो and it is also known as what cavity virus and it will neither affect the size of the file nor can be detected easily okay and means space filler means what whatever the space are there inside a file that space automatically will be filled by the viruses okay and the best example under this category is what Lex virus okay LEHIGH the virus name is what Lex virus so that is known as what space filler virus next come to what macro virus so a virus written in the same macro language okay as used in the software program and infects the computer if a word processor file is opened mainly the source of this such virus is via the emails through emails से जो virus create हुए that type of viruses are generally known as what macro virus okay and example is what Melissa okay under this category the virus name is what Melissa is belongs to your macro virus clear so this all about your what types of viruses next main point is what how to protect your computer from virus तुम कंप्यूटर को केमिति वे प्रोटेक्ट करिवो clear so come to how to protect your computer or system from the viruses right how to protect okay so the most suitable way of making your computer virus free is by installing good antivirus software so many antivirus softwares are available right and such software help in removing the virus from the device and can be installed in a computer via two means either online download kariba otherwise buying an antivirus software and install it okay so the only one solution is what by installing the antivirus software in your computer you can protect your computer from the virus right then come to the next topic that is what antivirus what is antivirus समस्त acquainted थिबो antivirus means what जो virus को clean करे right so an antivirus is also a software so an antivirus is a software which comprises the programs or set of programs which can detect and remove all the harmful and malicious software from your device malicious software means what virus already mu kahithili so this antivirus software is designed in a manner that they can search through the files in a computer and determine the files which are heavy or mildly infected by a virus. So antivirus software में स्कान कर देले जो भाइरस गुड़ाक अलरेडी थे सिस्टम रे कि जी अटाक करने चाहूब सबू भाइरस को से कौन कर क्लीन कर आइदर माइल्डली इन्फेक्टेड हो ना स्टार्टिंग हो राइट स्टार्टिंग पर्सन हो से क्लीयर कर दो एंड सम antivirus नेम ऑफ सम antiviruses आर Norton antivirus, Norton, Avast, Avast, Quickkill, okay, Norton, Avast, Quickkill, so many antivirus are there, McAfee antivirus, right, Kaspersky antivirus, F-Secure antivirus. So many antiviruses are there available online as well as offline. तुम ताको मार्केट रू किनिके लगे परिबो और ऑनलाइन ताको डाउनलोड करके भी पेड करके भी तुम्हें इंस्टॉल कर परिबो. So clear? So today what we had discussed, the virus, what is the virus and how can you detect the virus in your computer, whether the computer is affected or the system is affected virus or not, okay, with the virus or not, and different types of viruses with examples, and how to protect the virus from the, means protect your computer or system from the virus, and what is antivirus, right. So I hope you must be cleared about the virus, antivirus, all these things. And if you are having any query or doubts, then link is given, you can put your queries, comments, suggestions there. So thank you to all.